In this Crochet Basics tutorial, you will see how to make unusual round picot. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches, begin the new one. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet through the second stitch, yarn over the hook, skip the next stitch, and make double crochet into the second stitch. Begin the picot. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm making unfinished 10 single crochet stitches over the chain. Insert the hook around the chain, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. We have just done the first unfinished single crochet over the chain. Continue 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Work with a slip stitch. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The first round picot is ready. It is made on the top of the double crochet. Then I will make some doubles and we will repeat making the picot. Make 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's make the picot. Make double crochet through the next stitch. Let's begin the picot. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And unfinished 10 single crochet stitches over the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should make all single crochet very closely to each other, and we continue the work. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Work with a slip stitch, insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through. The second picot is ready. With this Crochet Basics tutorial you have known how to make unusual round picot. This is front. And let's take a look at the back side. Thanks for watching.